Hi there, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie, and I am introducing a new collaboration for me this year in 2023. It is called Blitz Your Kitz. I'm working with some other fellow YouTubers to focus on using up some of our kits in our spaces, and primarily older, not necessarily brand new ones, but you know, something a little bit older. Of course, we have the flexibility to create our own kits from our older stash if that is something we wish to do. So not a hard and fast rule by any stretch of the imagination. The way this collaboration is going to work is on the odd months, I will be sharing with you the kit that I hope to blitz, and then in the following month I will show you what I made. So a project share of what I made using that kit. It's not going to be how-to videos, but more just here's the kit, here's what I made. Occasionally I may do some sort of process video leading up to the project share. We'll see how that goes. If you guys are interested in that, let me know below. So in front of you, you see a bunch of what I call my smaller kits. These are all my scrapbook and cards today samplers, so SET sampler kits. I was doing really well with these, where every month I would use them before the next month's came, and then I got out of it. And so I have some from 2021 in here all the way up to this year. And then in the back end here, I just have a couple little Felicity Jane 6x6 packs and a Creative Memories little kit. First 2 months, right? Because remember, we're doing a 2-month grouping. The theme is, I believe, winter / Valentine's. And I know for sure that I have at least a Valentine's kit in here. So let me go through this, see what I can pull out for this month's challenge, and I'll come back and share with you the kit. Okay, I've decided to go with just Valentine's. This is the February 2022 kit. So I'm going to show you what's in there. And I also went into my stash and I had some little odds and ends that I thought would be fun to use up. And I also pulled from my stash to supplement this kit is this foam sticker Sweet Talk from Simple Stories. I got this in a warehouse box, I believe. These came out in 2020. Okay, so let me share with you what's in this particular kit. This kit features 2 collections, Happy Hearts from Simple Stories and Lots of Love from Doodlebug. So I'm going to show you the cardstock first that you get, and then we'll go into what embellishments I ended up with. For those of you that don't know, the SET sampler, you get a quarter of each of the papers, of 12 by 12 papers, and then you get a sampling, so partial packages of the stickers or die cuts, that kind of thing. So every kit's a little bit different, but the general overall feel of it is the same. Okay, so from Happy Hearts, I've got this floral, and then, see, this doesn't really translate very well when you only get a quarter of a sheet, but that's okay, because I like the floral. This one here has some labels that might be kind of fun to cut out. Oh no, but I really like this word, so that's probably what I'll end up using. Then you have the sweethearts with the little faces. Those are cute. XO on the back. The typewriter and a ledger, and then more words and a dot, and then almost looks like a crepe paper, floral, and then more ledger. So that is from Simple Stories Happy Hearts. And then from Lots of Love from Doodlebug, the cut-aparts with the floral on the back side, the cloud that is raining hearts, and the rainbow, more hearts, a stripe, and then the icons, turquoise X and O, and you had a pink X and O with hearts, and then some cutesy hearts, another floral, and some tone-on-tone pink hearts. So that's the cardstock I have to work with. We also received a die. This was something they started in 2022, I believe. This one says happy, so I will try and use that. No promises on that one. And then for embellishments, I got the Little Birdie Doodle Pops. I've got some of these foam stickers from the Simple Stories. What else we got here? A Happy Valentine's Day sentiment strip. Hello. All the heart eyes. a little heart border. What else we got here? Some little bits and pieces from both collections. So my goal is to try and use as much of what I have here from the kit before I go into some of the other stuff. That's the goal, at least. We'll see. Some of these things are not really my vibe, so they may end up being purged. Oh, and I got some little epoxy hearts. Okay, so that is the kit. This is what I'm trying to blitz. Let me just show you what else I'm adding in. I mentioned this here. I think that will go pretty well with most of these items in case I want to do maybe a scrapbook layout or something. And then this here are some 6x6 papers. And I keep trying to remember who these were from. I want to say Simple Stories as well, but I'm not sure. I've got some scraps. Oh, this is Doodlebug. I'm pretty sure that's Doodlebug. Well, maybe not. Anyways, so I've got a bunch of scraps that I would love to just use up of these, and that'll just help supplement. Oh, there's some Stampin' Up. Oh, this is a hodgepodge of everything. Yeah, so just kind of heart-themed scraps. So if I can use this up too, I will consider that a win. This is my kit for January, February of Blitz Your Kitz. Be sure to check out the other collaborators below. Come back on the 15th of February to find out what I made with these items. And until then, happy crafting.